Hi everyone, welcome back to Investing Mania. I'm Terry. Are you affected by the recent Luna and USD crash? If you are not alone. Because me too. If you were into Anchor's 20% lucrative stablecoin yield, you will definitely love today's video, which I will show you how to use Pionex dual investment to earn around 30% to 80% or even higher APY using your stablecoin.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag.
If you like today's content, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. In return, let me show you a poor flying puppy. I copied this idea from Kelvin. Don't tell him, okay? Today's video is not a financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decision. Dual investment is a non-principal protected structured saving product with enhanced yield which involves two different currencies. For example, if you have some stablecoin to buy Bitcoin, if Bitcoin price is $30,000 now, and you think it is too expensive and only want to buy in if it falls to $29,000, in this case, you can lock up your stablecoin for a period of 1 day, 2 days, 7 days or longer in Pionex to earn up to 100% APR. On the delivery date, if Bitcoin's price is above $29,000, you will get back your investment amount plus the interest earned in stablecoin. But if Bitcoin's price is below $29,000, you will get back your investment amount plus the interest earned in form of Bitcoin at a price of $29,000 each. Yes, if you have some Bitcoin which you plan to sell, and Bitcoin price is $30,000 now, and you think it is too cheap and only want to sell if it rises to $31,000. In this case, you can lock up your Bitcoin for a period and earn high APR too. On the delivery date, if Bitcoin's price is above $31,000, you will get back your investment amount plus the interest earned in stablecoin. But if Bitcoin's price is below $31,000, you will get back more Bitcoin. Dual investment is suitable for the following type of investor. Number 1. People who want to buy Bitcoin or other crypto but want to buy at a lower price. Number 2. People who want to sell Bitcoin or other crypto but want to sell at a higher price. Number 3. People who want to earn on stablecoin but willing to get the settlement currency in Bitcoin or other crypto. After using lots of other different platforms' dual investment product, here's my findings. Number 1. Pionex offers the highest rate among all. If you look at the following 3 pictures, you will realize Pionex offers the highest APY with the same strike price on the same delivery date. Number 2. Pionex has immediate payout on the delivery date and time. You can take profit right away at 4 PM in GMT plus 8 time zone, where for other platforms, you may need to wait 1 to 2 hours for the settlement calculation. First, you will need to register a Pionex account. You can use your friend's referral link to register, or if you want to support me, you can use my referral link in the description below too. For those who use my referral link to register, after you have registered an account and passed the KYC, you will need to fund your account with some stablecoins. For me, I personally use Binance P2P to buy my USDT, or I deposit SGD into Crypto.com using PayNow to buy USDC and transfer into my Pionex account. Once you have your stablecoin, go to Earn tab, select Structured, look for Dual Investment and click Create. If you are investing BUSD and USDC, the available pairs are only with BTC and ETH. But if you are investing USDT, you will have more choices like XRP, SOL, ADA, BNB, and etc. I'll use the Invest USDT based on BTC to show you the whole process today. Select your delivery date, select your target price, and click Detail. Check the details and click Purchase. Input your investment amount, click Continue. Done. You have successfully invested a USDT BTC dual investment. In this case, I chose the 1-day dual investment and invested 1,725.9 USDT, which will be settled on 29 May 2022 4 PM. If BTC is lower than $28,000, I will get back 0.0617 BTC. If BTC is more than or equal to $28,000, I'll get back 1,728.23 USDT. For example, if you have some Bitcoin and want to invest in Dual Investment product, under Dual Investment, select Invest BTC, select your delivery date, select your target price and click Detail. Click Purchase, input your investment amount and click Continue. If you invest 1 BTC, if BTC price is below $29,500 one day later, you will get back 1.00189 BTC. But if BTC price rises over $29,500, you will get back 29,555.75 USDT. On the delivery date, in Earn tab, under Structured, you will see an Android holding one big diamond and one small diamond.
Congratulations! We have earned 2 diamonds! Just kidding.
Your actual profit will be shown here. Click Take Profit and all the coins will return to your Pionex wallet and you can use it to further invest if you want to. If you aim to earn using stablecoin with lower chance to get your stablecoin converted into another crypto, you can keep the APR range from 10% to 30%. But if you are more aggressive, you can aim for 30% to 50%. Don't be too greedy. Later like Luna again, burn your finger, then you know. Risk number 1. Stablecoin depegging risk. As USDT is not transparently audited to be fully backed by US dollar, who knows whether it will be the next USD? It's safer to go with USDC or BUSD, which are transparently audited on their backings. Risk number 2. Loss in value. If the underlying crypto pair with stablecoin rises or drops sharply, you may make lesser profit or loss in value because you are bound to buy or sell the pair crypto at the settlement price. For example, if you use 1,000 USDC to invest in BTC USDC dual investment at $28,000 per Bitcoin, if Bitcoin price fall to $20,000 on delivery date, your 1,000 USDC will still be used to buy the Bitcoin at $28,000. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.